Hey guys, Atomic Mercury here, and in this video we're going to be changing a headlight bulb on a Mark III Ford Focus 2012. Now some of you may think this is complicated, but trust me, it's easy. The tools we're going to need for this job is a brand new H7 bulb, a Torx T30 set or a flat blade screwdriver, and a nice warm broom. First thing we're going to do is undo the two retaining bolts from the headlight, the first one being next to the front grille, and the next one up here next to the front wing. Once these are loose, we'll be able to wiggle the headlight out, be able to gain access to the bulb. Now we'll just grab an old rag, put this over the bumper to avoid any damage to the paintwork. Then we'll remove the rubber grommet from the back of the headlight assembly. This will give us access to the back of the bulb carrier. Press down on the clip at the bottom of the carrier and pull away the assembly from the bulb. Once the carrier is out of the way, we can get the bulb out, and as you can see here, this bulb is clearly broke. Now you can grab your H7 bulb, take it out of the box. When removing the bulb from the box, try not to touch the glass with your fingers, as the oil on your fingers can cause the bulb to blow out early. Now we can fit the bulb back into the headlight. Pay attention to the flat piece on the top with the lug, as this goes towards the top of the headlight. Then attach the carrier, remembering to put the clip downwards. It'll take a little bit of force just to get the carrier back on, but this is normal. Before we put the headlight back in properly, just going to check that the bulb works and it has been fitted correctly. Now we can put the rubber cover back on and remove the rag that was protecting the paintwork. To put the headlight back in, you can see here there's a plastic clip that needs to slot into a hole in the front wing. I found that if you tilt the headlight back towards the front wing, it should slot into the lug fairly easily. Then you'll just need to twist the headlight back towards the front grille and make sure the headlight is seated correctly. Take the first retaining bolt and put it back into the hole near the front grille. Then put the one in the rear next to the front wing again, using the Torx T30 bit or a flat blade screwdriver. Make sure the bolts in the headlights are tight, but not too tight. And that's it, you're all done. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, why not subscribe? And I'll see you all in the next video.